بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم. Welcome my dear students. Today we are going to start Unit 3 and this is going to be Lesson 4, Listening, Student Books, page 39. You're going to listen to a recording about a travel expert talking about the things necessary for a backpacking journey. I would like you to listen carefully and tick the objects that he recommends you take with you. Okay, let's get started.
Page 39. 5. Listening. Listen to the experienced traveler talk about what to pack for a backpacking trip through Europe. Tick the items he recommends bringing. The most important rule of thumb when packing a backpack is to pack light. You may think it's a good idea now to pack that pair of expensive boots and your smartphone, but later you will undoubtedly find yourself wishing you hadn't brought these things. One common backpacking tip is to pack everything you think you need and then take out half of what you've packed. In addition to items you obviously must bring, like toiletries and a few changes of clothing, don't forget to pack essential items such as a light rain jacket, a fast-drying towel, and some first aid equipment. It's important to pack some bandages. However, just pack 2 or 3 bandages, not a whole box. Tweezers also come in handy for everything from removing ticks to taking out splinters. It's also a very good idea to throw a couple of trash bags in your backpack for dirty laundry, wet items, or garbage. Aside from what you should pack, it's also quite important to consider where you should pack each item. Nothing is quite so frustrating as having to dig through your backpack to retrieve an item that is buried at the very bottom. Keep items which you will need to access often, such as your sunglasses, your water bottle, and your guidebook, in an easily accessible front compartment. And one final thought. You know that expensive watch your parents bought you for graduation? Leave it at home. The same thing goes for all expensive jewelry and equipment. Unfortunately, things have a way of getting lost, stolen, or broken when you're backpacking. So only take items you won't be horrified or heartbroken to lose.
That's all right. Now, have you listened? Have you listened well to the recording? And have you ticked the object that he recommends taking with us? Very nice. Okay. Now, I've got one question. What is very frustrating when extracting an object you have covered deep in the backpack? Yeah. The writer or the speaker doesn't want us to keep objects that we need to have very easily deep down in the backpack, so we do not scatter each and everything again. We should save them in an easy access compartment. Okay. Now, what items did you tick for a backpack? A rain jacket, okay. Did you take expensive boots? No, you didn't. Good, that's right. Toiletries, necessary, okay. Trash bags. The speaker said we had to throw some trash bags in our backpack. Okay, 2 to 3 bandages, that's right. Okay. Did he talk about sunglasses? No. Box of bandages? This is not recommended. Okay. Tweezers? Okay. Expensive jewelry? Huh? What did he say about expensive jewelry? Should we take them? No, of course we shouldn't. Thank you, that's good. Okay. And what about the guidebook? Let's have a look. Yes, he talked about rain jacket, toiletries, trash bags, 2 to 3 bandages, tweezers, okay, guidebook. But he, warned us from taking expensive sunglasses or jewelry with us, lest we should lose them quickly. Okay, and then let's move to another exercise, pronunciation. My dear students, words like backpack and water bottle are called compound nouns because they are made up of 2 separate nouns. The stress goes on the first. التأكيد الصوتي يكون على الكلمة الأولى because it acts as an adjective to the noun, to the second noun. Okay. Say each sentence, then listen to see if you stressed compound nouns correctly. Like throw a couple of trash bags in your backpack for dirty laundry. Keep your sunglasses and water bottle in an easily accessible front compartment. Some people like to bring a notebook or journal to write about their troubles. You packed everything except your toothpaste and toothbrush. I will look for a postcard in my mailbox every day. So as you can see, we put the main stress on the first word. Alright? Just practice reading and stressing the words in the way you listen to. Another exercise is exercise 7, the vocabulary building. We need to match the words with their definitions. Can you do this? Think it over. What do we mean by the word pristine? Preserve, conservation, incentive, deforestation, characteristics, remove, reduction, loss. What do you think? Okay. Exactly. Pristine means in a very good condition, that is not spoiled. You are right there. Preserve is, what is it? To keep safe from injury, harm or destruction. Conservation is similarly, the act of, what is it? What do you think? Conservation. Okay. Careful protection of something. Well done. Right. What is an incentive? It's something that pushes someone to act. Okay. So have a look at the answers. Here we've got the answers here. And with the answers of this exercise, try to have a screenshot, please. We've come to the end of our class today. Thank you so much for following me and wait for me in other classes. See you.